In this video, we will walk through conducting a search for company information in NexisUni. Begin on the library's homepage, libraries.olemiss.edu. Once on the homepage, scroll down past the image until you see Search UM Libraries. Across the bottom of this search box, you'll see a database option. Click there. Now we're in the database A through Z. Select N for NexisUni. Now find NexisUni in the list. Now that we're on the NexisUni homepage, the fastest way to find company information is to select the Find a Company tile below the default search box. Now that we're in the company information section, click in the search box and type in the name of the company you're interested in. You'll often see several company name suggestions. Click the one that you want. Now we're in the Apple report. To the far right, we can click Download Report to download the report in its entirety. If you'd rather search through the report in the different sections, we'll do that now. Under the default company view, you'll see About the Company. You'll see the most recent company news for the last 90 days. You can select the drop-down to look at 60 days or 30 days. Scroll down, you'll see the company hierarchy, and to the right, you'll see key people. Next, you'll have the competitor section. To see the full list of competitors, click the bottom left where it says View Full List. You'll see competitors by revenue, employees, location, and you'll see the CEO listed. To the right of that, you'll see the most recent legal cases. Next, we have a financial summary. You can see the income statement, the cash flow, and the balance sheet for the most recent 3 years. Now, the last in this list is the merger and acquisitions. To see the full list, click View Full List. Anything in blue is a hyperlink, and you can click it and then go to that particular information. After companies, we have financial. Under the financial tab, you're going to see the financial statements. Again, income statement, cash flow, and balance sheet. You can click View Full List to see the full list of information, or you can download the CSV file for each section. To the right of that, you'll see the company filings. The drop-down menu will let you choose which company filings you're interested in, or you can click the All Available Years to select a specific year. Scroll down, you'll see investment research, earning calls, or analyst reports. At the bottom, you'll see the ESG rating, environmental, social, and governance rating. Back to the top, let's look at the industry. It'll give us a description, industry news for the last 30, 60, or 90 days, and we'll see SWOT reports. Keep in mind, this may not be a SWOT for the company that you're actually looking at, in this case, Apple. These will be SWOTs where the company you're interested in is mentioned. Under the Legal tab, you will see recent cases from the US, UK, and Ireland. Under News, you will see news coverage over time. You can select a date to see the articles for that day. And again, you can change from 90, 60 to 30 days. Scroll down to see some of those news articles and click them to read. This has been a brief overview of conducting a search for company information in NexisUni.